All right, so today we have been talking about feet and inches and the imperial system. And I wanted to do some preliminary work before we did the stuff in the booklet, just so that we all know what's going on. So the biggest question right now, and it's not a huge question, but I just need to make sure everybody's clear on it, is, for example, what does 4.25 feet mean? I'm trying. My unmute button's not working. How about that? There you go.
Okay.
Marilyn, being as you're my hero and being here right now, do you want to tell me what does that mean? 4.25 feet.
What does 4.25? 4.25. So wouldn't it be 4? I don't know.
Okay.
I don't have that little paper.
Okay. All right. Well, ta-da. There is a handy little paper, and you do have one in your mailbox. So next time we send your mail home, if you're not back shortly, then you'll get that. So, okay, let's do it this way. Let's convert that into inches. So if you remember from before, 4.25, and then we're going from feet, and we're going to go to inches. And feet is bigger, and this is smaller.
It'll be 12, right?
Yes, we're going to multiply through by 12. So if you do it this way, it's just a matter of whether you have to multiply or divide. So 4.25 times 12. Oh, I just got 51. That's not right. 4.25. Maybe it is. Oh, okay. It's 51 inches. What I wanted to make sure is that this you think of as 0.25 feet. A lot of times students will see that 0.25 and they'll think, well, it's 4 feet and 0.25 inches. Nope. Sorry, I just did something stupid to my chair and I sunk down about 6 inches. Hold on. Woo! And I've recorded that on video. I am so proud of myself. That'll look pretty. I may have to record the video alone later so I don't look like such a fool. So this 51 inches, what I just want to say is that this part, so the 4 feet times 12, that gives us 48 inches. And the 0.25 feet, oops, I lost my 5, times 12, I don't know what that is. 0.25 times 12 is 3 inches. That's my point, is I just want to make sure that you recognize this part is not inches. It's not like the metric system where it's millimeters or something like that. It's just fractions of the foot. All right, can you do that conversion for me? Oops, I stopped doing that. So we are going from small units to big units. So we're going to divide. And that was like silly baby dancing, but that's okay. So 70 divided by 12. Oh, 5.83 repeating. Feet. And again, this is part of a foot. It's not inches. So what I want to do today is just to show you how to convert this into feet and inches. Because if I was doing some kind of construction work, my tape measure is not measured off in 0.83 feet. It's not like the metric system where it's all sweet, right? I need to know how many inches that is. So I'll show you two ways to do this conversion. And you know what? We'll just use 70 inches. I'll show you the somewhat long way, and then I'll show you the cheat way, which I'm suspecting, based on your skill set, you could probably do every time, because it's easy. So the first step is exactly what we did over there. So we take 70 inches divided by 12, oops. Yeah, divided by 12. So we know the answer is going to be 5 feet. We know that much, but we don't know what this is in inches. So one way to solve this, I'll emphasize not the way I use, but it's simple and it makes sense, is then you go 5 feet, and we're going to multiply by 12. Because I want to convert that into inches and see how many leftovers we have. So 5 times 12 is equal to 60. And that's used up to make the 5 feet. So if we started with 70 inches and we used up 60, we have 10 inches left over. So 70 inches is 5 feet, 10 inches. And that'll work every time. Okay. I'm going to give you another one. How many feet? In okay, I'm going to stop. I'll be right back. And you'll have an answer for me. So my apologies to those people who are watching the video. I probably should have paused it during that, but that's okay. All right, so 125 inches. I want to change it into feet. I'm going to divide by 12, and that should give me 10 point something or other. Oops, 125. Oh, 5 by 12. 10.41. So I'm going to write down the 10 foot and one quotation mark for feet. And then I can go 10 feet times 12 is going to be 120 inches. So I started with 125 inches. And I'm going to subtract the 120 that I used to make that 10 feet. Ten foot, 5 inches. Please tell me you got that, Marilyn. Okay, this is the long, really ugly way to do it, but it makes sense and it's easy to teach. Now I'm going to teach you the cheat. I learned this, I don't know, first or second year of teaching. It's nothing my teachers ever showed me. All right, we're going to do the exact same question. Okay, so how many feet in 125 inches? All right, you're going to take your handy dandy calculator. And it only works with a calculator. You go 125 divide by, oops, I need to see, I can see it, 12, like always. All right, hold on. Divide by 12. Excuse me. And the only thing I'm going to write down is the whole number. I don't care about the 0.41. All I know is it's going to be 10 feet. And here comes the weird step. Now we're going to subtract the whole number away. So all you've got left is that decimally bit. And then we multiply by 12, and it converts it back into inches for us. One thing, don't even have to write it all down. It's kind of magical. So let's do another one, and I'm going to see if I can write down the actual steps as we go. Let's go 500 inches. We're still going to convert to feet. Maybe the next one we'll do yards. And we want feet in inches. So start by, divide by 12. I'm going to call it, oops, move it so you can see that, conversion factor. So 500 divided by 12. All right, so I got 41.666 whatever, and 2, right down the whole number, right, part before decimal. So that gives me, where am I going to put it? That's your number of feet. And the 3 is a word, it's weird. Now we're going to subtract 41 from our answer and leave just the decimal part. And then the fourth step is we're going to multiply by the conversion factor. To convert this mess that we have back into inches. So we're going to go times 12. And so our answer is going to be 41 feet, 8 inches. And this is I had a tutor once show me that for using it for improper fractions, but it works like a charm for this. All right, give that one a shot. I would like you to convert 250 inches into yards and inches. On a test or something like that, I honestly don't care which way you do it. Or you can be bored and do it both ways.
Can you show me the little blue paper real quick?
Okay.
Oh, there you go. I am going to send you a copy of the little blue paper. All right, let's see. So this time I'm converting to yards and inches. So I'm going to go 250 and I'm going to divide by 36 because that's my conversion factor, 36 inches in every yard. Oops, I don't think I did that right. There you go. All right, so I'm going to do it the cheat way. So I got 6.94, so that's going to be 6 yards. And then I'm going to subtract 6 and just leaving me the decimal point. And then I'm going to multiply by 36 to convert it back to inches. Working for you? Not, you're on mute.
Yeah, I got 34 inches.
Woohoo! Awesome. then I think I am just getting to the point where I'm beating a dead horse with this. 2 feet in yards. I'm just looking at the next math assignment and I'm not really seeing anything too exciting. Nah, I'm thinking you can handle it all. So my question right now is, let's see, what time is it? Do you want a quick break and then do science, or do you want to just do science now?
We'll just do science now.
Okay, I don't want to say get it over with, but I'm with you. All right, I'm just gonna stop for a second. I'm not gonna stop, I need to stop.